In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase YouTube captions on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a second to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see Accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I continue scrolling down through the options until I spot subtitles and captioning. When I see it, I tap on subtitles and captioning, and that takes me into the section where caption display settings are managed. Alright, now that I'm here on this screen, I tap on style. This opens up the list of available caption styles, and from here I choose large text. I tap on large text and the selection applies immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm. I pause here for a moment just to make sure the choice is set the way I want. Everything updates automatically, so I can stay here or leave whenever I'm ready. Now I start backing out through the menus step by step, heading back toward the main screens, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap subtitles and captioning, open style, and select large text again. Sometimes I like to stay on this screen for a second and look through the other style options just to compare before sticking with large text. It helps confirm I'm choosing exactly what works best for me. If I want to double check how it looks, I'll switch between styles briefly and then return to the one I prefer. It only takes a moment and gives me confidence that the captions will appear the way I expect. Once I'm satisfied, I back out and continue using the phone normally, knowing the setting is already applied. There's nothing else I need to do since it updates instantly. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to increase caption size for YouTube on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and adjust whenever you need.